So this is the trail that goes back to the campsite. Had a video of it coming from, and after I got to the beach and was there for a little bit, I realized I deleted it. So we're showing you the reverse of that. You do walk under the 101. This path is on the back side of the second loop of campsites that run from 28 to 90 something, I think it is. 96, I want to say. And there we are. Back to the campground. So cold. Alright, somebody tell me what those things are, because I really have no idea. Okay, so we are walking across this little bridge that actually goes down to a tunnel that goes under the 101 over to the other side for a hiking trail that you can take up like into the mountain or whatever. Hopefully, don't lose focus here. So there's the trail. It goes up into the mountain somewhere. And now we'll head back because I'm not going to hike. Goofball.
Was it scary?
Well, I jumped.
Did you really?
Yeah. It's a creepy horror movie tunnel.
You just look at it and clown you before.
I'd probably turn around and run the other way. Clowns are freaky. So after you get out of that second campground loop, you get this little trail here that goes back to the first campground loop where we're staying. And we are in site number 4. And this is Humbug Mountain State Park. We are pretty much right next to the 101, and then pretty much on the other side of that is the Pacific Ocean. So, pretty nice park actually. Show you our space when we get back up here. Well, there you go, you can see our truck. We're right there. Get over here in the space and show you how much our little space campsite area is like private with all the little, well, not really so little, but bushes that they have planted all around it. So we're kind of in this little cubby. Got 30 amp hookup.
50 amp too.
Oh, is it 50 amp too?
Yep.
And 50 amp. That's the note I left on the door for the camp host. They told us just to go ahead and pull up and they'd come check us in, and we waited and waited and nobody ever came, so I just left them a note. So we went to the beach. So we're pretty much enclosed. Oh, and there's also a water spigot on the backside of the electric post. Whatever. Don't know how good that is, but anyway, so all that in the middle is basically just open area for whatever. Walk your dog. Somebody is cooking some food. I can smell it.
Smell bacon.
Bacon?
That's definitely some of the pork product.